let alpha, beta, gamma be the zeros of the polynomial. Which polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Then this expression can be written as a times of x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma. It gives a times of, if you multiplied these three linear expressions, then we get x square minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha times of x. That is nothing but cyclic order of alpha, beta, gamma. So start with alpha, you can write alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, minus alpha, beta, gamma. Now comparing relevant coefficients on both sides. In the left hand side, we have ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. In the right hand side, a times of this. By comparing relevant coefficients on both sides, for x square coefficient, in the left hand side, x square coefficient going to be b. So b equal to, in the right hand side, x square coefficient going to be minus times of alpha plus beta plus gamma, and also it is multiplied with a. That's why x square coefficient going to be minus a times of alpha plus beta plus gamma. If you transfer a to the left hand side, you get minus b by a. So that implies alpha plus beta plus gamma gives minus b by a. Now compare coefficient of x on both sides. So what is x coefficient here? C equal to what is x coefficient here? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. It is multiplied with a. That's why a times of alpha beta plus beta gamma gamma alpha. That implies transferred to a to the left hand side, it becomes c by a. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha gives c by a. Now compare constants on both sides. For constants, constant is here d equal to, constant is here minus alpha beta gamma. This is multiplied by a. That's why minus a times of alpha beta gamma. Now transferred minus a to the left hand side, it becomes minus d by a. So alpha beta gamma gives minus d by a. So this is the final result between zeros of a polynomial, that is alpha, beta, gamma, and coefficients. Coefficients are a, b, c, d. I will give you one more hint here. This is alpha plus beta plus gamma means sum of the roots. So some textbooks they can also denote it as, this is S1. Some textbooks they are denoted as S2. This is S3. S2 means the sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. Sum of the product of the roots taken 3 at a time. So see the logic here. S1 is there, right? So 1 is nothing but odd. That's why in the odd you have to keep minus and second term coefficient by first term coefficient. What is the second term coefficient? B by first term coefficient is A, that is minus B by A. And one more, same like that you have to apply the same logic for the S2. 2 is the even, that's why we get positive. Then third term coefficient is C by first term coefficient, C by A. Now coming to the S3, 3 is the odd, that's why keep minus. So fourth term is D, fourth term coefficient nothing but x power 0. So D by first term coefficient minus D by A,